Jordan's Dominator or something like that. If not, there's like a bajillion cars in the cul-de-sac. You can take any one of those.
All right. Hold on. Now we have a lot of pickles that are gonna go bad soon.
Your pickle gonna go bad soon?
I need to make some more mains. Make some more mains.
Here we are. I got a dip. I'll be back in like 20 or 30.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
All right, Susie, I'm on the way.
Okay, you got time because you don't rush because we just finished the last one and then people are doing their ding real quick before the next one.
So I should take someone's car.
Yeah, 100%.
So I should be a Gauntlet Gerald, a Gauntlet Gary,
I mean, the difference is that you're like
a Vigero Virgil. I'm on the way to the set.
I was good like that.
Well, I saw a few.
Oh, okay. You saw them taking off to the speed of light.
No, I didn't. It was so fast.
Oh.
I'm passing the PD. I'm almost at Mirror Park. Oh shit, my harness isn't on. I'm pretty much at the sack. Where are you?
We're gonna go to a meeting really quick, I think. But I'll come to the sack, actually. I'll just come to you.
Who's the meeting with?
Mary.
Oh my god, I haven't seen Mary in forever. Can I go?
No, I don't think so, Ryan.
Why not?
I don't know what it's about, so...
I'm professionally dressed.
Nobody cares about how you're dressed to go to a meeting, Ryan. I don't know what it's about, so... I don't want to say yes, you can go, and that be something that you
Damn it.
go to. Okay, stop whining, Ryan. Holy fuck, I'm gonna start calling you crying. Jesus.
All right, Skimmy Susie.
Okay, I'll start calling you crying.
Oh my god.
What car do you want to drive?
I don't know. Pick one.
No, you pick what you want.
No, just give me a car. My eyes are closed.
Do you want to take Jordan's Dominator?
Sure.
Okay, you should have access to it. It's in Jordan's garage, no?
Oh, let me go find out.
Ask him.
Hold on.
If not, they're like...
I ran into something. I don't know what it was. Am I crazy? Jordan, are you going to the race?
No, I'm thinking about going to sleep in here.
Oh.
Well, actually not to sleep. I'm going to go and get on my computer and play some Contractville.
Oh my gosh, you're addicted.
Yes, I've finally done all my grows for the day, so I'm done.
All right. Could I steal your...
If you want.
Oh, that's a good one. You're right. Good thinking. A little squirrely. Mm-mm. Never had scallops, clams, or mussels before. Hmm. Okay, there is a harness. Oh, I was scared. Hello, I've arrived.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Not bad, not bad. How are you?
Oh, you know, could be better, could be worse. So like a normal day, probably.
Uh-huh. Could be alive, could be dead, you know?
Exactly.
Yo, Yogi needs that
Hopefully
hat.
not dead.
What was that?
Did our friend Yogi? He needs that hat you have.
I think I took the last one off the shelf.
Did you skin it yourself?
No, I took it off the shelf.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it's real or fake.
It's kind of intimidating, you know? It's like a bear's looking at me.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn it, I just got called intimidating. Shit.
To be honest, to me it looks like it's a bear eating his head.
Oh.
I mean,
well,
that's kind of
I think so.
valid.
Yeah. Like the bottom jaw is missing, but the top ones are.
What's up, Benz?
So, I don't know. Listen, this is my third ever race. The other two were night ones.
Did I race it? Any race?
I feel like this is not gonna go well for me. I don't know the track.
Yeah, I don't know either.
What are you driving this
That's
time?
okay. It's all about it's all
The
about
red
having fun, you
car.
know?
Oh.
Damn, you sorted.
I put the spoiler on the dress to the better, bro. Look,
Yeah, that car's nice.
Why'd you say it like that?
What, me?
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice. I like it.
yeah, it's a little more. It's not
Oh, preview.
you know, you don't flip on a curb type shit.
Oh yeah, you can preview it and look at it on your phone.
It's gonna be better than your SUV, that's for sure.
It's
Or your
not an
little-
SUV, it's a wagon.
Or the wagon.
Wait, how many laps do we do?
7. Oh.
7?
Yeah, it's endurance.
Yeah, let me check how much gas I have.
Well, I'm
Let
gonna
me
have to
check how
put the
many
race
repair
down.
kits I
Okay,
have.
Okay.
No,
Benz,
no, it's free. It's
Benz,
free
I'm gonna
anyway.
start the
Yeah.
car in that car, okay? And then I'm gonna get out the car and get in my car, and then we're gonna swap cars.
Okay, sounds good.
Because otherwise I'm
Yeah,
out
yeah, no, I
the
know,
city
I
and I
know.
don't wanna do that type shit. So like we just do that, you know?
You start in the back, bro. I don't care.
Yeah. We don't want that. We don't want a big headache.
Kind of
Everyone
funny
Wait,
though.
what happened?
So if I hop in that car and create the race, and then switch car, I'll have to end the race, and it'll give everyone in the city a big headache.
Oh.
Deja
Got a
City
vu.
really
goes
big one.
down.
Nobody survives.
Damn, that's unfortunate.
So I'm not.
Yeah, let's avoid that.
Yeah. Could everyone give me $500 though, and then we can get this on the road.
I don't have money.
That's okay. Thank you. You gave me a repair kit. I guess that's even.
Yeah,
Like,
gave
come
me?
on, Arnie.
I gave
I
you
gave
two.
it to you.
I gave you two actually.
No, you only gave me
Here,
one.
it's on the ground, Arnie.
Oh, there's
Right.
another one.
You think the cops will be able to
Oh,
find out who I am?
Well, I got 500. I appreciate it, guys.
Give my money to Arnie.
Oh, I give to someone else.
Right.
Yo, fart team. Bro, don't call him
Someone-
this guy. He's from fart, okay?
Q, did you give him the
Wait, wait,
Oh,
500?
we're
wait.
calling
hold up, hold
random.
up.
Hey,
You're
B-
the random one in fart.
Oh,
Be
did I get?
careful. Be
No,
careful.
he
Skimmy
did.
Susie here might just take some off the top.
Stop crying.
I can't believe you were trying to do me dirty for a
I told
grand.
you,
Yes.
it was Arnie. I didn't get any of that money.
Everyone give me money,
It
bro.
was an inconvenience fee for
Yeah.
Arnie, not for me.
Yeah, I'll give it to you when we build up.
I
Oh,
already
it was
told
for
You owe me 500.
Arnie?
By after.
I told you this
Huh?
yesterday.
Because someone gave you
drive by after.
500,
On who?
and they meant to give me 500, and you took it, and you pocketed it.
No,
I
no,
saw
no.
you.
I think Susie gave it to me, and
Yes,
then I
you
just gave it to you
fucking
now,
idiot, bro.
and then I
No,
gave you
it's
500
you.
earlier.
Shoot in the- shoot in
Ryan,
the
did you
house,
give me
bro.
money?
Yep,
we
I
just-
might
gave
have
you
given
money.
you 1,000 then.
I'm fucking down. Let's do
Okay,
it.
Don't
and
worry
then
about
you
it.
guys gave me money.
Yeah.
Chaz,
yeah,
did
I
you give
paid
me money?
Put it on the. Oh,
What?
You take the money?
No, I gave it to you.
Give me my
Oh.
money.
Give me my money.
Fuck.
we're gonna go back to the. Wait, what's this on the floor?
Sorry.
My
Oh,
leg!
geez, Susie.
My leg!
His leg, Susie.
Ow. I'm okay. I don't know how to drive this car. Wish me luck.
Yeah, let's stand up at the back, Ben.
Yeah, I'm at the back.
Am I a bozo for driving an auto?
No. We all do that.
Give me 1 second, I gotta call 2 people real quick. See if they're on the way or not.
Everybody I put an auto in every car.
Flippy going front, Flippy going front. Me and Anya are doing a maneuver. You wanna go front? Yeah. Me and Anya are doing a swap car maneuver.
Oh.
I want to be in the back. I don't know the track.
Oh. Yeah, me too.
Bro, this guy's talking to his ex-wife again.
Hey, who's Vodka Victor?
What's going on, bro? My ADGD is going insane right now, guys.
What's that?
I'm telling these bozos.
So you are leader of Sip
Oh,
Gang.
damn.
Oh my god, who's that in front of me?
Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
Oh my god!
Oh my god,
This
hi.
is my third race. I only raced twice with my wagon earlier. I
I
don't
wish
know
you
what
lots
I'm
of luck.
doing. I'm in
You're gonna do great.
reverse.
You're gonna do freaking great. I believe in you.
Bro, yeah, you're so stupid.
I'm scared. I really should be at the back, guys.
Nah, you got this. You'll be fine up front.
I've never driven this car either. I'm really winging it. Can I ruin an engine if I rev it? Oh.
Okay, I'm starting. Starting, good luck.
Starting. Yellow. Halloumi fries.
Guys, bonus point. Pit the white GTR.
Hello?
There you go.
Stay left!
Who the fuck is
Why
this
are you so
fucking...
slow?
Who the fuck is in the black backhoe?
It's me. I'm not even pressing the gas, bro. You're so slow.
Okay.
Cool, yo.
Guys, this is bad. I missed the first checkpoint.
Yeah.
Good fucking shit.
Guys, can you chill, please?
How old are you?
Merry
Zach?
crash, Merry crash. I had to slow. I was going to your right, and then you turned to the right, so I had to move.
Let you pass, but like, don't block me type shit.
How do I
You
do
were
this
blocking
race?
me.
I've never done this race before.
What is that
checkpoints are
shortcut?
confusing, bro. The checkpoints are confusing, bro.
Yeah, I'm confusion.
That was crazy, already.
Bro. And now he's blocking me, man.
And that because I get in a position to not that
Slow ass
shit.
bitch.
Quit blocking us, Artie.
Meet him, onion. Arnie, stop being so good.
In the worst car, he.
That's actually
Bro,
true,
are you
Bro,
serious?
fucking dude.
You. Did you just have a headache?
No, you just literally came up. Bro, I'm pitting you.
Right.
I'm pitting you. You better be fucking
Give me a
Go
quick
ahead.
because I'm coming.
But you literally froze in the middle of the street.
You're just thinking, you know, like what, turn to take next. Arnie, you scare me, bro.
Am I getting too?
I just want you to be ahead of me so I know where to go. I don't race
get
off
pitted
you,
by
bro.
you. Oh shit, I got he's dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
Car's fucking dead.
Go left a little bit. Next, take a left here. Take a left here, by the way. It's confusing, but take left.
And then take a right, then
Take
a
right, and then left again.
Did you die? Who's it?
No, I'm...
Okay.
Yeah.
I just bubbled the vodka
Are you
repairing.
fucking mad, bro?
That's what you're gonna do.
Oh shit, I went the wrong way.
You turn, Flippy.
Get so confused.
My
I
brother's
pull a
so
grind to
good.
the right, even though we have to go left. What is this race? What are these checkpoints? I'm so confused, bro. Where am I going?
Take a left, then take a right. You got this?
Other side? Nice. Fun. That's fun.
Dead? Never mind.
Hey, so who's driving my car? You're not driving my car.
Bad idea on this car. Going over the center barrier is like actually risky as fuck in this car.
Gotchas.
Bro. I hit a bump and I just went flying off the roof. I'm going for the Arnie line.
What are you doing, Chaz? What the hell?
This is what Arnie took last time.
Nah, this kid's actually a crackhead.
There's way too much traffic here. Holy.
Ah, Jason! Move that move.
At least you don't like lose complete control that hard. Alright, zigzagging up and down, left, right.
I think Arnie's car turns so sharp it slides out while the mic.
I went the wrong way, bro. This race is fucking ass, Arnie, bro.
No, fuck up, moron.
As he said with his mouth full.
Either gave it one hand and my steering wheel in the other one.
Damn, he said do better. I actually don't mind this.
Yeah, I like this track.
You like this track?
I do.
Are you also getting fucked right now, bro? Oh, you're behind me.
We cut through the construction this time, quickly.
No, bro. I'm scared. Zoomer kid.
What is wrong? Let's go to shot your tire first. Is this what we're doing? I was going to for your tire. You're lucky I didn't.
Okay, bro. I can't lie, Chaz. I feel my car's cooler than yours, bro. I don't like driving your car,
I'm conceding
bro.
that. There's no way.
Is it the bumps?
That's just boring, dude.
Oh, okay. I like my car.
Have you? It's good, right? But it's like...
You just gotta like the car you drive, right? I like that car I even drove it.
You, what do you do?
This car's so squirrely.
No, Arnie. I was stuck in first gear, bro!
Now I crashed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Have you even crashed yet, Poopy? Our car just washed out of water, he can't hit my tire. Hey, hey! I don't aim for it, bitch.
Uh-oh.
I was letting it come out.
No!
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 Are you okay?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. course I'd go over a damn bridge.
That was the hardest race of my life. I was fighting the car. Fighting the car with my left hand and eating a carrot with the other one.
That was scary.
You like the race, Ryan?
Yeah, I actually like the track.
Wonder why it says unknown.
Doo-doo-doo.
We're gonna go roast
How
Susie.
many monies do I owe you? I don't know how much money I owe you, so I'm gonna give you 500. Actually, I might have just scammed you. Okay, $50 more.
I don't really care if it's 15 or not, by the way.
I'll give you 12 rolled.
Arnie, you need to become a mechanic. So you can do
I've
that.
I've
do what I
repaired my
did
car
to you.
so many times.
Hey,
I
bro,
think
you
I
okay? I'm so
failed.
sorry about that.
You gotta do it. Carry engine parts, then you can fix your car as fast as I fixed yours.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yeah, I used an engine part.
Are you okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
It's a full repair.
I'm sorry about that.
It's not your fault.
That's a good
Yeah,
Don't
I had
worry,
no
you're
brakes
good.
and nowhere to go.
It's all right.
Yeah, as soon as I saw you crash, I was like, oh shit, this is gonna happen.
Yeah, that was my fault.
Well, it was my fault too. It's
No,
both our faults.
it was my fault because if I didn't mess up, I wouldn't have been there.
Yeah.
Listen,
but
I
if
take responsibility when I fuck up.
But I want to take responsibility.
Okay, fine. You're it. Exactly.
This is the real race, the real
Yeah,
deal.
we're doing it. Yeah,
Real
we're doing
deal.
it.
Yeah.
You should be scared of us.
Happen?
But what does SPART stand
Pulling
for?
out, bro. I'm pulling out, dog.
Arnie and Flippy Racing team.
Meet at the house. Meet at the house.
But wouldn't it be offers then?
Were any of us driving a
No,
Dominator?
this is just a
like, blue color?
placeholder
'Cause there
name
was
until
one
we
But
find
if
something
it
cool.
was Flippy and Arnie Racing
Did
Team, that would
somebody
make
die
sense.
at
But it's
the
Arnie and
end?
Flippy Racing Team.
You're
I think they would've
using
been, like,
too
on
many big
innocence, I
words.
guess.
I have question.
Yes?
Why so many
It's not a bus.
unknown?
I don't care.
Oh,
Actually, could you
Good
take
question.
a picture of that and send that to me, Ryan?
Yeah, and also in the race, it was
okay, you wanna do
swapping
another
me
round,
and
bro?
unknown between third and fourth, and there was no one next to me.
Dude, right now I have something
Yeah,
to do real
I
quick.
was next to you.
Give us
What are
like
you
a
guys
minute,
doing?
bro. Give us like a minute.
No. You were, but not. I don't think it was at
no.
that point. I see yours.
Oh, interesting.
You came in third, right?
Yeah. I did.
You want me to send it to you?
Yeah, I would like that.
All right.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, you actually have two unknowns.
Oh, I have 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
okay,
4.
Okay, what the fuck is cash
5.
squatting, bro?
Oh yeah, I have a
5.
shit ton as well.
We are.
Yeah, I have 8 of them.
Damn, bro. 8. So there's like 16 people in your race then?
Let's go run her over.
Oh, wait,
Well,
wait.
Damn.
Hold on. Mine said
technically no, but yeah.
I see names up
Is that the Mirror
to
Park police?
11, and then it
I
goes
don't know what the
19,
fuck
21,
you want,
22,
bro.
25.
That doesn't make any sense.
Wait,
I would love to have
Mine-
a picture of that.
I've emailed.
Thank you. Let's see.
Yeah,
Take a look
there's
at this.
3 people in third, 2 people in fourth.
Wait, didn't Mika
Oh
go
people in
wow!
sixth,
1, 2,
people in
3,
seventh,
3,
2 people
7,
in
8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 21, 22, 25.
Damn, you had 25 people in your race. Who
Wow!
are you racing against?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure there was no one next to me, and me and the unknown who tied with you apparently.
All right. Well, thank you for sending that to me, Ryan. I appreciate
No
it.
problemo.
Thank
I don't
you.
think the math is mathin'.
It might not be.
Oh, your car looks so nice.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yo, Felipe, I can do it in like 5 minutes.
We're dodging and weaving. Holy fuck! What was that?
Like a glove.
Are so quiet. I coasted for a while downhill. Or turned so strangely. It's very like immediate. In like a way I'm not very familiar with. These curbs in this car are like fucking frightening. I'm too afraid to go over them.
Hello. Oh,
Oh, hey, what's up?
Is everything go?
Oh.
Is someone still blasting?
What the hell?
Okay.
Oh.
What? The,
Oh,
okay.
I gotta
Who the
go.
fuck
Oh,
is
yeah.
that?
Okay.
Is everyone okay?
Yes. Good.
They were shooting at Mirror Park,
Yeah, I heard gunshots.
but it looked like
There's people selling, so it could be that.
Yeah, I'm gonna check the alleyways.
no, it was in a car, I think.
What the hell?
Yeah, and it looked like one of ours, like the green.
What car was it?
I'm not sure. It went by so quick.
I just drove past JJ and he was saying a purple car just did a drive-by on us or some shit.
I was in front of their house when the shooting happened. I don't know what the heck happened.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
All I know is that there was a ton of them outside.
It's nighttime, guys.
Time to bust out the wagon. I'm gonna call it the
JJ's
16
in the
bag.
cul-de-sac now.
No, who owns a purple two-door?
Somebody came to our house and did a fucking drive-by.
I know I was there. What the heck was that?
You saw that, Ryan?
Well, I didn't see them, but then the car I saw speeding around the corner, it looked like it was to me, I thought it was green.
Oh, green? Really?
You were in this car, Ryan?
Yeah, I was in this one. I don't. This car's fast, but I don't like how it turns. It's like too sharp, if that makes sense.
I'm gonna look for this purple car.
People doing drive-bys?
Yeah, you guys see a purple car from here?
No. Ryan said he saw it.
No, not the purple one.
I don't know which one. It looked like honestly like what's the old model? It wasn't RX-7, but it was like a like an S14. It looked. I'm gonna go check.
Okay.
I'm gonna be checking.
I just know when I looked back, there was a car going around the corner.
Yeah, that was it. That car, and it started
But I didn't think it was
house.
purple. That shit. I thought that shit looked green.
Could have been green.
Really?
With the lighting, I'm not sure.
Which one of you guys? How that car pulled out of the cul-de-sac? The one to describe it.
Yep, I don't know.
Said like an S14 looking
All right.
car.
I'm gonna go try to look for Flippy.
Wait, is Flippy not talking?
He's maybe ejected?
Okay.
The battery had a headache.
Classic Flippy.
Wait, hold on. Doesn't Susie have an RX-7 thingy? Or whatever it's called?
He said it looked like an old S14.
Or that? Doesn't she have one?
Oh, hers looks like the fuck, I forget what it's called.
What was that sound? Oh, that's... Do y'all hear the sound of the tires going over the curb? Listen. Maybe it's only happening when I'm accelerating. You can hear all 4 tires individually go over the curb. Hold on. Okay, maybe those aren't high enough? It's not happening now. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Oh! We're repairing this.
Good time, Rex.
What? I'm looking for Flippy.
Oh, right.
Calling us?
Looks like you're just going somewhere.
No, but you said it might be ejected.
Well, where's Susie?
I don't know.
I'm at the Manchon place. He's supposed to meet me here. I tried calling him, he didn't answer. So I you know me. I just assume the worst was like, let's face it, you know.
Check him out with Wolverine then.
What the fuck happened?
He was last at like the race start.
Who are you looking for? What are you guys looking for?
He's good, by the way.
Oh.
I'm so confused. What the fuck is happening?
Yeah, like
I
what is
can't
happening,
hear it.
bro?
I can't hear anything on the radio right now.
I can hear you though, bro.
He said he'll be there soon, Susie.
Any
Okay, I don't have a car. I need a drop. I need to be dropped.
Pick a car, any car.
Alright, sorry, my head
I
popped
can drive you.
two times. I'm on the way now.
Yeah, what happened?
Hey, you're not that nice.
No, my head kept popping, unfortunately.
Look, I can make the car purr.
Yeah. Are you still racing, Ryan?
I don't know. I'm deciding
Another one.
to race or not to race. That's the
You can try
question.
my car if you want.
Which one's yours?
I'm not gonna race. This black one over here.
Can I drive it around the
Pretty
block?
fast. Yeah.
Oh, this looks fast. Holy shit.
Well, let me grab. I have ACs in the trunk. Let me grab them real quick. I've been forgetting to put them in there.
This looks absurd.
Chaz, is this all-wheel drive or rear?
Honestly, I never checked. I think it's all wheel. What is it? Is it rear wheel?
Hold on.
All
I'm
wheel.
confusion. Those front ones do spin the tiniest bit.
So it's like all wheeled, but it's like more towards the back.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me... You know.
Oh.
Yeah, the front ones aren't moving now. We need to get the front end lifted. Oh, sorry.
This car's so quiet in comparison. Huh?
Why is this car quiet?
Guys, I'm on the way.
I don't know how I feel about it. don't like how quiet this car is. It's very grippy. The squad? Is that a race? I don't know if I like how the car drives, actually. I mean, obviously I'm just setting it, but like, in comparison to Maddie's, I DK. That car's hiding behind there. Maybe not. Oh. Wait, it sounds different now.
Sorry, whoever that was, that was one of you. Yeah, you fucked up my ball.
How do you like it?
So the first time I drove it, it was like it was a hybrid. I couldn't hear it, like it was very quiet and it really bothered me. Then I definitely
normally sounded.
well now yeah, and then I definitely didn't crash and repair this, and when I got back in, now it sounds like what I expected to.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
It's really fast. I don't know.
Is it fast enough to where okay, so with speed going around corners?
Hold on. I think something's a gremlin's calling my name.
Oh.
Is someone saying my name? Thank you. It was Ash.
Oh. So with speed around corners, in comparison to how Maddie's car drives, night and day difference. This car is not snappy with turning like that one is.
Really? I haven't really driven Maddie's.
Oh.
Much.
Here, I'll give you keys. I will give you a key. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Here, I follow you.
Okay, hold on. I gotta grab my moonshine run. I was gonna do a moonshine run. You think she'll be mad about me? Actually, I probably shouldn't do this in Maddie's car. No.
You get in big trouble?
Nah, I'm just trying to be smart.
Didn't even have one.
Oh my god! What is the speed? What is this
Well, you're gaining on me a
acceleration?
little bit.
I felt like it took longer to go from like 40 to 120 than it took from 120 to 189.
Oh yeah.
Holy
Like
crap!
once you hit like in the hundreds, it's gone.
It just zoomed.
It also has a 97mm turbo in it, so it probably helps.
So try going around like city streets and turn. Also, be kind of careful with like curbs. It seems scary.
That's the one part I struggle with my car is in like the cities with a lot of bumps with that car you're in.
Hmm.
Yo, guys, where do you buy a computer desk at?
You have to get a blueprint in the forum house or punch house. I think.
Oh, is a blueprint there?
I think so. Isn't that where we got it from a long time ago?
I don't remember, to be honest. I remember getting all the parts from there.
I lost you, Ryan.
I'm at the jewelry store.
You gotta build it.
Oh, wait, Rex, I couldn't hear what you were saying, sorry. Your part.
So you gotta build it, the desk.
Yeah, so it's a blueprint from that house, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I'm back to the cul-de-sac, Ryan.
I'll meet you there.
You could keep the car and race it if you want, though.
No, I'll die in this. It's too fast.
Let me check.
I almost just murdered you guys.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, looks like I gotta get in the wagon.
Get the wagon out, get the wagon out.
The 16 BET wagon.
Putting the house in the sack.
I fix. Yeah, this thing is
shopping, but for some reason I feel like I should be looking for a car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like this is fixed. It's nice though. It's nice. Let me go
Yeah,
park
I enjoy
Maddie.
it. Some people don't like how it looks, but I like how it looks.
Did you feel like the snappiness of this one?
Oh yeah, like very.
Like
turns very
squirrely.
sharp.
Yes. Like overly sharp. You wouldn't expect it.
It's like it's good over bumps when you're going straight, but like when you turn, it's hard. I think.
Any uneven road? Okay, so do you know the left turn over the bridge? Okay, like you're behind Mission Row, you're going down or the south side, you make a left over the bridge. You know how everyone cuts over the like center median? Like to get onto the right side of the road?
Yes, I know what you mean.
Very dangerous in this car.
Yeah, you feel like you can't turn or like stop while you're hitting a bump. Does
someone have a crowbar?
Pretty much.
Or like you lose
And
control.
if you oversend it even the tiniest bit, the back end gives out.
Dang.
Wait, what did he say?
Crowbar.
I have one.
Can I borrow it, please?
Yeah, where you at?
Hold a sec.
On way.
Shit! I almost died.
You okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Be careful speeding around here, okay?
I'll try my bestest.
Yeah, please don't speed around here. Thank you.
Speeds away.
I'm down, bro. If I see someone jump this wall like that.
Damn. Chat, I am gonna call it. Oh, fuck. Do I do the night race? Well, fuck.
Night race, night race, night race.
I got the 16 BET wagon. Where's it at?
3 miles, probably Polito.
Let's take grapeseed or some shit there.
Yeah, check like 68, the hills, all that.
They have been super quick.
3.27 miles. We just need to check up north, I think, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
I'll check the
that's
city if you guys just go north. Someone go Gray Ocean, someone go LS, and I'm gonna check
LS.
Southside and shit. I'm gonna look through this.
Have I on Palomino Freeway?
I'm gonna go up north through like the moonshine spot, like through those hills.
Okay.
You have to join it to see the checkpoints.